Riding the mountainous winding roads of Hong Kong's biggest island, we are doing a loop of Lantau on a mountain bike, and this is Jern and Fern. Welcome to the episode 4 of the mountain bike adventure series. We have a new friend here. His Milton has been riding mountain bike for over 10 years. So where are we gonna go today?
Hey, I'm Milton, and we're going to Tung Chung today through Pakung, and then we're going to do a loop back around to Mui Wo.
So let's go now.
Let's go.
With 70% of Hong Kong being forests and mountains, the natural topography of the city offers the perfect trails for mountain bike enthusiasts. In this series of Jern and Fern, I'm going to learn how to ride a mountain bike from scratch and introduce 5 different trails. So get on your bike, get off the roads, and pedal with me. In this episode, we are challenging ourselves to ride one of the hardest trails in Hong Kong, a big loop of Lantau Island. Starting from Mui Wo Ferry Pier, we ride along the road and turn into the Lantau Trail Sections 1 and 2 towards Sub Lon Village. This third track is designed for mountain biking, which offers all kinds of technical terrains for seasoned mountain bikers like Milton. I still get to enjoy the trail, but just need a little extra effort.
Too much for me, too much.
Coming out from the third track, we join a coastal path that brings you all the way down to the picturesque Sub Lon Village with spectacular harbour views looking out to Chi Ma Wan. Then we take the Chi Ma Wan Road to Mui Wo. It's a relaxing coastal ride on a concrete path. You can find refreshments here. We are now in Mui Wo. We have done 1/3 of the trail. It was all uphill, pretty tough. But luckily, the remaining part are all on concrete path, so it should be much more easier, right?
Yeah, it should be. And especially because of the weather today, it's really hot. But we all get to this point, and then we hope we can finish the whole journey as soon as possible.
Yeah. Okay, let's go now.
Alright, let's go.
After we left Mui Wo, we continued riding along the Tung Chung Road and ready to take on the toughest challenge of the day. So what's coming next is the toughest part of the whole trail, which is we're gonna ride up to Pakung, the place where if you want to hike up to Sunset Peak or Lantau Peak, you're gonna start at Pakung. So I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna hike my bike up. But Milton?
I will try to attempt this really steep and long hill, and let's see how it goes.
Let's see how it goes. Go, Milton, go! Pakung is a mountain pass located at the highest point of Tung Chung Road at 340 meters above sea level. It is also located in between the second and third highest mountains of Hong Kong, Sunset and Lantau Peaks. We are almost in the clouds after the steep climb, and it's now time to descend back to sea level. The long, steep and windy downhill ride from Pakung is insane. With our top speed at over 50 km per hour, all I can do is pray and hold tightly onto the brakes. After the descent from Pakung, it's a gentle ride on the bike trail that brings you to Tung Chung. By the time we reached Tung Chung Central, it was nearly 6 p.m. and we had a cargo ferry to catch, so we couldn't finish the entire trail back to Mui Wo. So unfortunately, we will have to stop in Tung Chung, but overall, we have done like 70% of the whole trail, right?
Yeah, that's right.
I think the highlight of today's trail will be going up to Pakung and going downhill from Pakung.
Yeah, I think so. That's a really fun bit because of the long slope. We both achieve our top speed for the day. But I would say for the muddy session and the scenery today, which is fabulous.
I would say it's too tough for me. Okay, so that's the end of this episode. Don't forget to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For now, my name is George.
My name is Milton.
And this is Jern and Fern.